Ladies and gentlemen, your true savior, the one and only that guides us all away from the darkness, your highness, the king, just sat in the throne. Hey everybody, do you know what day is today? Time for another unboxing. Oh no, it's local IT birthday. Oh, Alexa, sing happy birthday.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, happy birthday to you.
I should really get an award for this. Oh yeah, the unboxing. Okay, let's go. Wait, I can't lie to you. I already took it out and played with it. To be fair, I was waiting for it like a child, but gladly I had a chance to film it firsthand. Let's see it. Now, my feelings about the stuff. Yeah, I have feelings, you know. I get sad when you don't subscribe my channel. So subscribe it, please. The ASUS RoG Throne Ki. Sorry, I'm not gonna say she. In my native language, it sounds a little bit weird. So, the Throne with wireless charging is here. First of all, the RoG box is supreme and it never disappoints me. The packaging, the experience, their bling bling of RGB, the touch, I'll admit it, it's a bit plastic. But it does have some good features. The plastic top is somewhat grippy and the phones won't slip away. That's cool. Normally, they wouldn't slip away because of the leather, but you never know. That would depend on the headset model. The style, the looks, I like. Well, it looks like a royal throne actually. It does stand majestically in your table, and the RGB Aura Sync light is amazing. Come on, everyone is into RGB today. Mostly. About the stuff. You have an integrated DAC, so it's a very good plus if you are on a laptop or you have a lame board with audio built in. Although the DAC may be somewhat reserved for those who like headsets with the old audio jack. For me, just fine. When the batteries run out on my Strix Go, I just have to plug in the audio jack, adjust the audio settings as I would with my Strix Go, and Strix go on with it. You gain 2 USBs extra, but it's a hub, not a pass-through, so you won't be getting the fastest file transfers here. At least, not with the Strix Ariane NVMe. I tested it. You might as well hook it up to the USB pass-through of your keyboard. to get the full speed. And don't use the drone for that. And finally, what we are all waiting, at least I did, the wireless charging. The thing is amazing. Well, you see this light? It's on standby. When blinking, it's charging. And when fully charged, it's solid. You can also check it on the armor crate to see the status. Am I missing something? I think I do. But I will never be able to cover everything in such a small video. But I sure hope you like it. If you get some trouble with the wireless charging, be sure to power cycle the drone. I had to do that. Now let's take the plastic peel off, just for you. Conclusion: is it worth it? That depends on you. If you want a cheap headset stand looking just like this, grab the Throne Core Edition. It's super affordable, like under 40, but no wireless charging, no RGB either, or DAC. You fancy the RGB and want a solid sound? Well, grab the Throne without wireless charging. You can save quite a buck there, but this one is the full experience. And a good wireless charging device is not cheap, you know, so there's it. If you are a serious RoG fan like me and really want a wireless charger for your phone, go and get this king. If you want a simple thing, get the Core Edition. It's much more affordable. Please subscribe, share, like, and as always, see you next time.